Hey you guys, it's Kharyzma and it's a quick unboxing video for my business. As you guys know, I have my lip gloss cosmetics business, Kharyzma4u.com, and fall is approaching, so I decided to purchase some new things to come up with some new products and some new lip gloss colors. And I'm just so happy because today I finally have the time. I was going through my website and looking at what worked, what didn't work, and what can I incorporate that's new for the upcoming holiday season as well as the fall season. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing with you guys now. So please stay tuned for the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Sorry, I'm near my kitchen and my refrigerator just decided to start making noise. But okay, so we're gonna continue with the video. I got some pigments and I've purchased these pigments before. I just want to show you. It's all of these pigments, and yeah, so these are some of the pigments that I have lots and lots of pigments. Why? Because I need them for my starter kits. I also need them for, and please don't mind my nails, I gotta get them done and I have some broken nails, so yeah. So these are like all the colors, and I sort of already separated the colors that I was going to use for my fall collection. You guys know my fall vibes collection that came out last year was a hit, and it will be coming back again this year, and I'll also be adding some new colors to that. So I got some pigments, and the box was already open, so I just wanted to show you. But these are the colors in my fall vibe collections. We have the copper vibes, the coffee vibes, and the auburn vibes. I think this is the auburn. No. I think that's it. I think these are the three colors that I use. I just might have gotten the names confused, but that's what I have so far. And guys, please don't mind me, I had a long day, but I said, you know what, I got my packages. I was just about to just take everything off and just chill. I was like, no, let me do a video since I went to get my packages downstairs. I'm like, let me do an unboxing. It's been a while and I have tons and tons of videos to upload for you guys, but to keep you up to speed on my business, everything is going well. I'm gonna talk while I open it. I have another box to open. I don't even remember what this stuff is. Everything is going well. It's just I have to, really focus in on what people like, what worked, what didn't work, what can I do to be creative and stand out from other people, because lots of other people have cosmetic businesses and you just want your stuff to be unique and stand out. And so that's what I'm working on, just like branding and things like that. So I got some tubes, guys. Got some more tubes, different tubes. So I got 2 packages of tubes, but this time I got the squeeze tubes. I'll show you now, that have the gold top. Now I have wand tubes with the gold caps, but I got the squeeze tubes, the 10 milliliter ones with the gold caps. That's a new for me because before I had the silver and these are the gold. So I'm hoping that this will look really, really nice with my new glosses for the fall. I also got some squeeze tubes, and don't mind the noises, that's my neighbors. The doors in this building, like when you come out your house, like they slam and it's like boom. I don't know, I wish they could fix that. But yeah, I got the other 10 milliliter tubes with the white caps. I don't have those because the tubes that I have are silver, pink, and clear. So I'm just doing something a little bit different. So yeah, so those are the tubes. So you look forward to seeing those tubes with some of my new glosses. Now gosh, you're gonna see these tubes. I decided to give these tubes a try because I've seen them before and I've actually purchased from other people who have these tubes and I love them. So I was like, okay, I have some colors that will definitely look nice with these tubes. These are called the honey pot tubes. So let me show you. Right here. They're too cute. They're like glass, and so it's like a little honey pot. See, and then this is the brush on it. So you would put the lip gloss in here like this. They are too cute. Look at that, like a little honey pot. And then you just take it and then apply. Too cute. I have the perfect, I think I'm gonna put I have a gloss called Bronze Honey. And I think they're gonna look really, really cute in there because the gloss looks just like honey. So I thought that this would be a nice little addition to my site. So look forward to these. Let's see what else I got. Okay, this is what I wanted for a while. These are like the little, I'm gonna call them fruit snacks, but they're just like, it comes in a thing like this. This is like all the little fruities that sometimes people put inside their glosses to correspond to like the glosses. So this is what I got right here and it's so cute. I think that's gonna be a nice new look for some of the different glosses. As you can see, we have like these little strawberries here, grape. Oh, I don't know what that is. This looks like watermelon, pineapple, grapefruit, tangerines, watermelon, kiwi. I think that's passion fruit. Yeah, so that's what it looks. Oh, it's so cute, the avocado. It's so cute, and I think they use these for like nail art as well because they came with tweezers, but you can also put them in your lip gloss. So I look forward to doing that. I'm just trying to have some new things. You know, you always have to keep it fresh. I know like you might think, okay, you put a lot of work into your business and you know, you just don't, you might feel like you did more than enough, but you have to understand you have other people who have businesses too, and they're constantly switching things up for the seasons. They're constantly coming up with new ideas. So you just want to keep your, you know, your website looking fresh, your products looking fresh, and you want to add new products because if you have returning customers, they keep seeing the same things and they get bored. And you know, this is something that I'm learning too because I know as a consumer, like when I go on my favorite websites to buy, like I'm looking for new things. I don't want to keep seeing the same old things over and over and over again. So yeah, that's a challenge as a business owner, like keeping up with your creativity and just keeping a fresh look all the time, even though sometimes you may have some of the same products, but you have to display them and market them in a totally different way. So yeah, I'm still learning about all of that, but yeah. So these are some of the things that I got. I also got some pigments from TKB, and this is a pretty small haul. I got this color pigment. This is chocolate mica, Swiss chocolate mica, and I got some different ones here. I'm trying to come up with a nice baby pink. I'm gonna probably have to mix like the pink one, something like this, but still a little bit lighter. And so I'm just playing around with different colors. This is like a, what's this one? Roasted chestnut. This one is Coming Up Roses. And this one is Yummy Pink, and these are all from TKB. So I decided to try the liquid pigments. I haven't tried those yet, but sometimes I can make my own liquid, like use the powder and put the oil, and that's how you formulate your own liquid. But I decided to give something new a try. So I just got this one powder and then these pigments, and then the other pigments that I showed you there. So that's really basically it for my haul. Let me just show you some of my lip glosses for those of you who are new to the channel, and just show you. I have one on, but I don't know what I have on. Let me see. I just went inside my purse, my bag, and picked out. See, I carry my own lip gloss with me. Like, this is mine that I just like had in my bag. So you get to see like which ones I carry with me. I have the clear, as you can see, they're used. This is my clear one. This one is my Copper Vibes. As you can see, it's like up to here. This one is my Honey Gold. So I carry those with me. This one is my Raspberry. I carry that with me. This one is my Opal. And this one is my Princess Pink. This is a nude gloss, and it's, I don't know if you can see with the lighting, but it's kind of like half full. So I think I have on the Opal, and I'll put that on for you so you can see. See? I love it. I love my lip gloss though. I wear my lip gloss all the time, and I love, love, love it. So if you want some poppin' lip gloss too, head on over to Kharyzma4u.com, and definitely check out my Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion. And a lot of people who don't know me wonder why it's called Kharyzma4u Fashion, because I started out with fashion first, and I'm incorporating fashion and cosmetics, fashion, beauty, and style. So it's going to stay, my Instagram is going to stay Kharyzma4u Fashion still. And these are my lip glosses. So go on over to Kharyzma4u.com, follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion, and also my style page on Instagram, Kharyzma4u Style, where I showcase products from other people. I'm more of an influencer there, and I showcase other people's clothing, other people's products, and that page has just started a couple of months. I think during the summer I started it, and thank you guys so much for those of you who have already started following me there. I'm slowly building that page, and thank you to my Instagram. We finally hit 1K. It's a little bit over 1K now on my Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion. So thank you guys so much. I'm so happy, because that was like such a goal for me, and it feels like it took forever. Like, I was like at 9 something, I would go to like 980 and then go back down to like 960, then 990, and then go back down to 980. So finally I got to 1K. I believe today, it's October 1st. Happy October, happy fall. It's 1,028 subscribers. So thank you guys for subscribing to my Instagram or following me on Instagram. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Visit my website, Kharyzma4u.com, for your lip gloss, and also my Etsy shop for hair accessories like headbands, head wraps, and so forth at etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u. Thank you guys for watching.